If the sum of the two positive integers x and y is 1050, what is the maximum value of the greatest common factor of x and y? Now we know that x plus y is equal to 1050. We have to find out the greatest common factor GCD of x and y, and we have to maximize the value of it. Now let me quickly take you to one of the very basic facts. For example, if we start calculating the factors of any number, why am I talking about that? Because the GCD of any numbers are essentially the factors of those numbers, right? So I'm just taking you back, and because the sum of x and y is equal to 1050, so we understand that x and y both are definitely less than 1050. Now let me quickly take you to some numbers and then figure out what their factors are. For example, if we start writing the factors of 100, the factors of 100 will be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, 100. What is the biggest factor? That is 50. Similarly, let's take some other random number. Let's say 72. 72 has factors like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 6, and 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 72. So you can see the biggest factor of any number less than the number is always equal to the number divided by 2. Biggest factor of 100 is 100 by 2. Biggest factor of 72 is 72 divided by 2, that is 36. So now we have to maximize the greatest common factor. So 1050 may have many factors, right? And we have to maximize the factors. We have to maximize the greatest common factor, and the greatest common factors are factors of those numbers. That means x and y each, when they are equal to 1050 divided by 2, they can be 525. Now we can see 525 plus 525 becomes equal to 1050, and if we call them x and y, then GCD of x and y will be equal to 525. So that ways we can perfectly say that none of the values need to exceed, because the other value will decrease in that case, because the summation is constant, and if any value decreases, then the highest common factor will certainly go down. So the maximum value of GCD of x and y can be equal to simply the B option, that is 525. So this is just a basic observation that we need to use, and 1050 is the sum of the two. So the biggest factor of 1050 will be half of it, 525. When each value is equal to 525, then the greatest common factor will also be 525, and the LCM is also 525. So that way we can get to the highest possible value of the greatest common divisor of these two numbers. I hope that helps. That's slightly tricky way of answering the question without getting involved in too much of mathematics. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, then you can please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more such informative sessions.